I want to kind of get back to the technology, the digitization of finance and accounting functions a little bit, because it's a question we get from private equity firms in particular a lot. How does that come into play? Is dashboarding kind of just the simple answer to everything? And what should the private equity firms really be keeping in mind when it comes to technology and digitization?
Yeah, see, the way I like to refer to that is dashboarding is the end result, right? But there's so much that goes into financing and accounting functions itself, right? It's no longer a simple debit and a credit. If you don't know the terms, I can certainly do a one-on-one later on those terms. But it's not that simple anymore. Excuse me. The entities now, they need to capture transactions with details that can be used to create multidimensional reporting, right? And in my opinion, dashboarding is the result of that well orchestrated finance and accounting symphony that I would like to call, right? So it's no longer a piece of paper that shows you what are your assets and liabilities, what's your income and expense, what's your net income, what's your cash flows. It's multi-dimensional, right? And dashboarding is a component, or it brings that out. And when you refer to digitization, right? Digitization is in my opinion, it's multifaceted, and finance and accounting is where the results of the entity's operations reside, right? So, which means everything an entity does results in a number, a numeric value. Could be headcount, could be inventory items, could be sales dollars, could be cost dollars, whatever. It ends up as a number on your accounting records. And all this information is ultimately recorded in form of a transaction into the accounting records, right? So, and then these numbers or these records are used to create reports that the management uses in decision making. And I think that's where digitization plays a key role. It involves understanding various business processes and how technology can be used to improve productivity and efficiency of these processes. So from a simple CPM tool to a complex robotic process automation, RPA, there's a whole gamut of things that can be done to achieve this digitization with new technology, and which ultimately results in this dashboards, which basically shows you, various pie charts, bar charts, and gives you that intelligence. It's called business intelligence, right? So I think that's how we can use digitization to bring out that dashboarding to help with business decision-making process.